Hey everyone, let's look at pure competition in the long run. We saw in the short run the plants had a fixed plant capacity. However, in the long run, farms can expand or contract capacity as much as they want to. They can also enter or exit the industry. Farms are going to enter the industry in response to a profit, and farms will exit from the industry when there is a loss. I'll show you this entry in this section graphically. So over here I have an industry and I have a farm. Industry is a collection of farms and farm is a single entity. I have the demand curve for the industry. I also have the supply curve for the industry. These two are intersecting and my equilibrium price is, say it is $50. Everyone in the industry is selling at $50. So a single farm being a price taker will also charge $50. So this is the initial situation here. Price is equal to $50. Then we have the marginal cost like we did before in the last chapter, and we have the average total cost. As we can see here, initially the price is equal to the average total cost for a single farm. So this is a situation where the farm breaks even and profit is equal to 0 for a single farm. Now let's say the demand increases. So the demand curve shifts to the right and we have a new point of intersection here. So the initial point of intersection between the demand curve and supply curve was at point A. The new point of intersection is at point B, and the price increases because the demand increases from 50 to 60. The farm being a price taker will also charge $60. So the price initially went up and now the price is greater than average total cost. So I would say the profit is positive. Now what happens when the price is greater than average total cost? The profit is positive. In response to this profit, more farms will enter the industry. I'll say more farm enters the industry. As a result, the supply curve shifts to the right. From S1 to S2, we have a new point of intersection at point C, and the price, which was $60, came down to $50. And for the farm, the new price is again back to $50. So point number 3 here, price is equal to average total cost and the profit is back to $0. Try to understand this whole mechanics in 3 steps. Initially, industry demand curve was equal to supply curve. Price was $50. The farm being a price taker is also going to charge $50. The profit was equal to 0. Now there is an increase in demand and the demand curve shifted to the right. This caused the price to go up, and the price became greater than average total cost and profit was greater than zero. Step number 3, entry occurs and the supply curve for the industry shifted to the right and the price goes down back to $50, and the price is again equal to average total cost and profit is back to zero. The long run equilibrium will be always price is equal to average total cost and profit will be equal to zero. So in the next section, I will talk about exit from the industry in response to a loss. And this one was entry in response to a profit.